Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 11 of history, the making of the national movement. Today our topic is Quit India movement. So let's talk about Quit India movement. Everyone move on this topic. Quit India movement against 1942. What happened in 1942? The Japanese army had come very near to the border of India. The Indian leader felt that only the national movement could save India from Japanese attack. Okay. So the All India Congress Committee met the Bombay on 8 August 1942. The English to quit India. It passed the famous Quit India resolution and asked the English to quit India because they felt that only the national movement saved India from Japanese attack. That is why they start talking with the British government कि आप India को छोड़ दो. The government soon arrested when the Gandhiji announced Quit India movement. So the government soon arrested Gandhiji. When this news declared and spread in the society that Gandhiji was arrested by the government, then what happened? The Congress were declared illegal and the news was arrest of Congress leaders sent a wave of anger throughout country. Everyone supported the leader Gandhiji, those arrested by the British. Fine. They destroyed police station, post office, railway station, other government buildings. The government adopted a severe attitude, strain attitude to crush this movement. Which movement? Quit India movement. Over 10,000 persons were shot and 70,000, approximately 70,000 persons were arrested and put behind the bars. The press was muffled and the government committed untold atrocide on innocent people. For what purpose? Succeeded in putting down the movement, to suppress the movement. But the Quit India movement left a great mark on the freedom movement. No doubt, the government tried to crush this movement at all cost, but the people retaliated with the same force. Kya clear tha? It was clear. They were clear in their policy, in their aims of the public faith and courage. The people took the courage to challenge the British government and throw out the foreign imperialist. The national leader were against the Germany, Italy, Japan. So because they followed the imperialist, but they also did not share the British government, which had dragged India into imperialist war without consulting the national leader. So that is why the Congress leader put the condition that they would help the British government in the war if she permits to grant freedom to India after the war. As the British government refused to meet the demand, the Congress ministers in the province resigned. Now in August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi started his Quit India movement and mass civil disobedience was launched to cripple the British war machinery. The government arrested Gandhiji and other leaders to the Congress. Now let's talk about INA. Now the government crushed the Quit India movement in 1942 with an iron hand. By Cook, by after that was no political activity in India till the war ended in 1945. But the brave son abroad were not inactive. Who was he? Subhash Chandra Bose, who organized Indian National Army to carry on the fight for India's freedom from abroad. He was one of the heroes of the national movement and great patriot. He was entrusted in his house at Calcutta in 1941 and he escaped from India in March 1941 and reached Russia for help. In 1943, he left for Japan to organize armed struggle against the British rule with the help of Japanese. In Singapore, he formed Azad Hind Force, Fauj, Indian National Army, to carry on a military campaign for the freedom of India. Okay. An old revolutionary, Ras Behari Bose, helped him a lot in this war. A large number of India resident in Southeast Asia, Indian soldier and officer captured by Japanese in Singapore, Malaysia and Burma and joined INA. The soldier called him Netaji. He infused a new life and spirit into them. They were ready to sacrifice their life for the freedom of their motherland, means for the India. With the help of the Japan, the soldier fought in Burma and on the eastern border in India. Japan had surrendered in 1945 and as of India, as such the INA too met with defeat and the Subhas aeroplane accident, a large number of soldiers and officers of INA were imprisoned. So this is the story of INA, Azad Hind Force. Now what happened? Now the provisional election 1937 seemed have convinced the league that the Muslim were minority. किस चीज पे insist कर रहे थे? That Muslim were minority and they would have always play a secondary role, second feeder role in the democratic structure. So that is why they wanted a separate nation. The Congress rejection of the league desire because they wanted separate nation. The Congress failure to mobilize the Muslim masses in 1930 and they allowed the league to gather the Muslim support. At the end of the war 1945, end of the Second World War, the British opened negotiation with Congress, with league and themselves. Now they the बातचीत किस-किस में हुई? ब्रिटिश में, मुस्लिम लीग में और कांग्रेस के बीच. The talk failed. वो वाली बातचीत फेल हो गई because the league saw itself as the sole spokesman कि वो सिर्फ अपने लिए minority कि वो अलग है कांग्रेस से. But this was not accepted. This claim कि they are separate by this, it was not accepted by the Congress leader. Now election of the province were again held in 1946. Underline everyone. And the Congress did well, where they won maximum seats. But it is not like that the league was not succeed. No, the league success, the seat reserved for Muslim electorate. Okay. It persisted with the demand for Pakistan, but again continue that the Muslim League demand for their separate nation, that demand for Pakistan. So in March 1946, the British cabinet sent a 3-member mission to Delhi. ब्रिटिश कैबिनेट ने क्या 3 मेंबर्स की कमेटी उन्होंने भेजी जो क्या एग्जामिन करेगी, टू एग्जामिन द डिमांड ऑफ लीग and suggest the suitable political framework for a free India. Now what this mission suggested that India should remain united and constitute itself as a loose confederation with some autonomy from Muslim majority area. So, but this suggestion not accepted by both. Now the partition now became the more and less inevitable. Now, after the failure of cabinet mission, the Muslim League decided to mass agitation for the winning a separate nation, Pakistan demand. So now the Muslim League announced 16 August 1946. On this day, the riots broke out in Calcutta. The riots start from Calcutta, lasting several days, resulting the death the thousands of people. By the March 1947, violence is spread different part of northern India also. The many 100,000 people were killed. Numerous women had to face untold brutalities during the partition. Many people suffered from this partition. The million people were forced to flee to their country, to their home, left their homeland. They were reduced there to being refugee in alien lands. Now, partition also mean that the India changed. Many of its cities changed and new country, Pakistan, was born. So the joy of our country, with joy, the freedom, independence from British rule came mixed with the pain and violence of partition.